In this video, we'll demonstrate how to stop receiving notifications in Google Chrome. But before we delve into the tutorial, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to gain control over your Chrome notifications. Please also share your thoughts in the comments below, as your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's proceed. To stop Google Chrome notifications, you have two options. Completely disable all notifications. Open Google Chrome and click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser. Select Settings from the menu. On the left-hand side, find and click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down to Site Settings at the bottom and click on it. Among the permissions, click on Notifications. You'll see an option for Default Behavior. To disable all notifications, choose Don't allow sites to send notifications. This will block all notifications from websites. Manage specific sites' notifications. Follow the same steps as above to access Chrome's notification settings. Instead of selecting Don't allow sites to send notifications, choose Sites can ask to send notifications. You can also manage specific websites by scrolling down to the Allow and Block sections. Here, you can add sites to either list. To allow notifications from a specific site, click on Add and enter the site's Click Add again to save it. To block notifications from certain sites, do the same by clicking on Add and entering the site's address. Click Add to save it in the block list. By following these steps, you can have better control over your Chrome notifications and decide which sites can send them and which cannot. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications turned on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For more tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching.